Children, now we are going to write more than 3 letters, that words you have to write. It is very easy to already. I would like to share my experience with children writing school format writing. It is very easy, more than 3 letters, then goes upward to 4 letter, 5 letter words. Here we have to write more than 5 letter words and more than 5 letter words. How to join? Okay, then listen. First, alphabet A. So it comes from the basic store. A, P, again next one is P. Children, you have to write very slowly, don't scribble it. And E. So it's a 5 letter words, but you have start here until you end this letter. Don't take out of your hand. Don't put out your hand. Okay, write slowly. Don't make scribbling, because some children from this to this they write slowly, A, P, P, and finish the letter you have to scribble it, L, E. So don't do like that, because you have to write slowly from the top from the beginning letter to the end of the letter. And one more thing, children, always while you are writing any format or any letter, first you have to finish the full alphabet at any time. Whether you are writing simple notes or copying from the notebook or copying from the blackboard in your classroom, first you have to complete each alphabet in full format. Okay, that develops your beautiful handwriting, that makes your handwriting very legible. Okay, understand? Then apple. Next one is we have to write, what's it, write B. Okay, then O, W, L, bowl. Okay, 2 L series letter. Okay, children, so remember that basic store. So B, O, W, L, bowl. Then C, that is, we have to practice 5 letter words. C, A, N, D, and L, E. Okay, candle. Can you follow me, children? Okay, remember the strokes and write slowly, and each and every alphabet should be complete. Okay, that's make your handwriting very legible. Then D, O, okay, L, yes, dolls. Okay, children loves dolls. Okay, dolls. And E, yep, E, L, V, E, and S. Else. Next one, starting from F, L, O. Write slowly, children. W, and join with E and R, and yes, flowers. This is 7 letters. Okay, it is easy. Is it easy to you? Flowers. Starting from here and ends only the end of the alphabet. Yes. Okay, flowers. Then G, A, R, D, E, N, garden. So while you writing, these space between each and another next one alphabet all should be same. Spacing should be very important in your writing. Okay, F, G. Next one is H, that is H, E, L, L, O. Hello. Then I, that is I, G, L, O and O. Okay, igloo. Next one is J, U, N, G, L, E. Jungle. Okay, I, J. Then K, K, E, T, T, L, E. Can you follow me, children? Okay. Is it easy? Kettle. Then L, L, O, L, L, Y, lolly, pop. P, O, P. Okay, lollipop. And M, M, O, V, I, E. Movie. Then N, N, E, S, T. Nest. Okay. Now we have to write alphabet that for more than 4 letter words. Going to write alphabet start with O. Okay. That is O. Start with its stroke. C, T. Write slowly, children. P, U and S. Don't lift out your hand from the notebook until you are complete from starting letter to the end of the letter. Okay. Then P, P, E, B, that is B, and L. Write slowly. S. 7 letter words. Okay, pebbles. Then Q, U, E, again U, E, Q. Spacing is very important, children. Between starting these 2 letters, that spacing is equal to end of the letter. That's, it looks nice. Okay, Q. Then R, R, I, D, D, L, E and S. Riddles. Okay, can you follow me? Riddles. Then S, S, M, O, O, T, H, Y. Smoothie. Okay, that's also 7 letter words. Then T, T, I, G, H, T, L, Y. After finishing full alphabets, then take out your hand and only put the slanting line. Okay, tightly. Then T, U, U N I, write slowly children, C O R N. It is unicorn. Okay. Then V A S E S, vases, 5 letters. And W A T E R, followed by M E L O N. Complete this in the slanting line. Watermelon. Okay. Then X Y L O, slowly, P H O N E. Okay, xylophone. Then each and every alphabet has its own stop. Remember that L is only crossing at the top line, and this also H also similar to the top, cross out only at the top line, and X starts from its stop, C stop. Okay, E has its own definite shape, and N starts with its own stop. So don't miss the basic strokes while you writing the double joiners are more than 6 letters or 7 letters. Remember that previous lesson strokes. Okay, that's why you are getting that proper way. Then Y O yo. Okay, then Z, that is ZIG, zig, zigzag. So that's children, we have start from individual letters, double joiners, and 3-letter words and 4-letter words, and more than 4-letter words and up to 7 or 8 letters. So we have to make it sentence also. You should it is very easy to you. Okay.